Neither the boys nor the girls are laborious. In this sentence, two plural subjects have been connected with neither nor. So, plural verb has been used in this sentence. If the subject begins with many, both, several, the majority of, they take plural subjects and plural verbs. Example is many nations are poor. In this sentence, you see that after many, plural subject and plural verb have been used. There are some subjects which always remain plural. Therefore, they always take plural verbs with them. For example, people, police, cattle, folk, gentry, etc. In fact, they are supposed to be plural. Therefore, they always take plural verbs with them. Example, both the boys are here. In this sentence, we see that after both, plural subject and plural verb have been used. Next rule is that if a sentence begins with there and after there, if the subject is singular, in that case, singular verb is used, and after there, if plural subject is used, then plural verb is used. For example, there is a book on the table. In this sentence, we see that a book is singular, therefore singular verb has been used in the sentence. Another example is that there are many students in the college. In this sentence, we see that after there, plural subject has been used. Therefore, verb is also plural. There are some subjects which seems to be plural, but they are always singular. Therefore, they always take singular verbs with them. It may be the name of the subjects as linguistics, physics, civics, politics, statistics, etc. For example, civics is a good subject. When we examine this sentence, we find that singular verb has been used with the subject, that is civics. Next rule is that if a sentence begins with most of, a lot of, some of, plenty of, and countable noun, or you can say if plural subject is used, it will take plural verbs, and after these words most of, plenty of, some of, uncountable noun is used, it will take singular verbs with them. For example, most of water is dirty. In this sentence, water, which is uncountable noun, which is always supposed to be singular, takes singular verb. Another example is that most of the boys have gone to college. In this sentence, we see that after most of, plural subject has been used, so plural verb has also been used. Next rule is the words of time, measure, or some always remain singular. Therefore, they always take singular verbs with them, as miles, rupees, kilometers, etc. For example,